You are going to love the 2014 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, panoramic roof, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.